This is how people of Farrin roast breadfruit, make breakfast, and make it look like they still live at Jamaica and enjoy it same way. Okay? So today's video, we're going to show you how we roast breadfruit at Farrin. So first, me get 2 breadfruit at the Korean store yesterday. And I want to roast them for my breakfast this morning. Me not fry them, so me no bother roast them from overnight. Cause you know they're not nice that way. They're nice when you just roast them and they hot. You understand? So now me I go dive into how me prepare my breadfruit. Roast it, dig it out from overnight. Dig out the middle. Yes. Take out that and then push the knife in at the heart so that it soak properly when it roast. Yeah. And then cut the bottom in a two. So when it roasts, you see the split. So you know when it roasts. Now go cut off the side right here. So that's how we used to know if the breadfruit are yellow hard and this are yellow hard breadfruit. Cause it have that yellowness, it not white. You see when you cut it there so it don't white. So me I dig out the heart of that one here too, push the knife in there and do the same. Cut the bottom in a two. But me I make a X. Just say that. Alright, so it's time to now get the breadfruit on the fire. So that's what you're gonna see. So now it's this morning now. Time for roast the breadfruit because I dig it out from last night and put it for drain. So put the breadfruit on the fire and let it roast. Guys, a voice over me I do so I'm not go see everything. Alright, so me I prepare now my ackee. Little bit of all-purpose. I use avocado oil because it have less cholesterol. I need like a black pepper, 2 tin of ackee, preferably double dose to me because them not mash up. Alright, we need piece of onion, we need a little piece of sweet pepper, 1 little piece of scallion, 1 tomato, and for the saltfish, me no want a whole heap of saltfish in my ackee, so me just like the flavor of the saltfish. That's what me like. Me like ackee and saltfish, not saltfish and ackee. Okay, so I'm gonna get this ready now. I'm gonna put the saltfish on the fire and make that boil. I'm gonna turn the breadfruit them, you know. Time for the breadfruit them to turn. Yeah. So I'm gonna get these seasoned pepper. I clean out the middle of the tomato because I'm gonna use the seed. If you don't follow me, you don't know why I don't use the tomato seed. It's not good for arthritis, joint pain. So I'm gonna just chop up these vegetables now. This fruit seasoning, sorry. Scallion, piece of onion, like a piece of sweet pepper, and the tomato. Alright, so the saltfish ready. I'm gonna use this hot water to wash off the ackee. After I throw it out of the tin, I'm gonna use this hot water to wash the ackee. So I'm gonna cut this ackee tin, the ackees now, and drain it. Put it in something to drain off the water, and then I'm just going to wash it off. So the breadfruit roast. No, it don't. Just want to know if you guys know when it roasts. Alright, so this is all the ingredients. A little piece of saltfish, the seasoning that is going to cook up the ackee. And the ackee is now drained. There is no more water on it. So it's time to put the pot on the fire with a little bit of avocado oil. Fry up the little saltfish first. Yes, kind of make it get a little crunchy. And then we add the seasoning. When the saltfish crunchy, it give it a little flavor. Give it a buzz. So now the seasoning are fried up. I'm adding a little tip of Maggi on purpose because when I tell you that give the food a buzz, you know. Yes, that give the food a buzz. Alright, so it's time to add the ackee. So I just push the seasoning aside. Right, push the seasoning aside, and then after I just add the ackee to the other side. And I don't like a lot of oil in my ackee, guys. I know some of you might say, so where's the oil? This is how I cook my ackee. I don't want to consume too much oil. So when I was younger, that was not how I used to cook it. I'm not gonna lie. Oil used to swim in my pot. But as you get older, you have to cook with moderation and understanding. I don't need that grease. I really don't. So I'm just adding a little bit of black pepper right now. And that is it. That's really the finishing of the ackee. So breakfast ready. I'm going to peel these breadfruit. They are ready and they are hot. The ackee is finished. So now it's time to really, I think they need to soak for a little bit. Give me a minute. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn them one more time. Alright, so I'm gonna peel them now. They're ready. So I just peel it in a circle. So if you don't know how to roast breadfruit, now you have an idea. Remember to turn your stove down on medium when you're roasting your breadfruit, that it don't give too much smoke in your house. Because when it's on high, it will burn faster. So the lower you roast it is the better. Don't give too much smoke. And it slowly roast. So I'm gonna cut into it and cut out the middle, but I'm cleaning it up first. Guys, my knife is very dull, so it might look like I'm struggling to cut this breadfruit, but the knife, oh my god, it can't even cut butter. It's so, these knives need to throw it out of the kitchen because for some reason I cannot sharpen them. But the breadfruit was turned. Both of them turned. And when I bought it, it wasn't like that. Alright, so this is the breakfast, guys, and it's all finished. Don't forget to hit that like button and tell me what you want me to cook next, and I'll do my best. Drop it in the comment section and tell me where you're watching from if you reach to the end of this video. God bless and have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Enjoy. Bye, guys.